Right, right. I've been asked to convert these to IFC files. It's .ifc files to CAD, so the guys can open them up in AutoCAD. What I do is I use Revit because Revit seems to be my go-to, and I'll open up Revit, start with my company template, and the first thing I do is I'll link the IFC files. So you can only do them one at a time, and you'll see that there's no option really to make sure that it's geolocated or to do it, center to center or by origin to origin. So you just let it drop in. I do it exactly the same with the second one, and wait till they both drop in. Right, so I've got the two files in. One is curved, one is straight. So to convert this to AutoCAD, because this is now a linked file, if I convert it from here, the AutoCAD file will be blank. I then select it and I bind the link into the project, right? So it becomes part of the project. It'll take a little while, and then it'll come up with a warning that says, do you want to remove the link? I say yes, remove the link. Pick the next one, and you can see there's that red box around it, which means that it's created it and it's added it to the project, but it's created a group from that linked file. Do the same on that one. Find the link on that one. Go OK, and OK, and remove the link. Right, so I've got the two files in there. So what I can do is I just want to go copy the name of these files. One is for split and one is copy that. So in Revit, what I typically do is I create two 3D views, and I rename them. So I'll rename the one which is the curved split. Just go copy this name here. Control C for copy. Go back to Revit. And this one. Alright, so I've got my two views there. As you can see, one is straight and one is curved. So if I go and I pick the group, I can see this one here is the straight one, and I'm in the straight. That's fine. So I pick the curved one, and I hide it out of here. I go to the curved option, and I hide out the straight. So now I've got two 3D views, one with straight and one with curved. And this is where I do my export. So now I go File, Export, Export to CAD, and then I'll go Next, and I'll put it into the same place. I just want to call it exactly what it is. SSP. I untick export views, sheets, and links as external references. Because I don't want it as an external, I want it as part of that, right? So that's one file. I can choose the version of AutoCAD. I normally use 18, and I go OK. So we'll see whether it's done that or not. I go to the next one, and I do the same thing. File, export, CAD format, DWG. Next, untick that and save that there. Right, so I then go and fire up AutoCAD. What I'll do is I'll actually go and open up those files. I'll open up excuse me, that's in miscellaneous under there. Those are the two files. I just pick them and go open. Something like that. Cool. So we'll just go hit that, and there you can see the CAD file. So you can zoom in and see what it looks like. and you can see all the components have gone through. Whoops, undo that. Cool. So now that we've got that there, all I can do is I can go save, and I'll open up the other one just to check it as well. Close that. Right, cool. So I've got both of them. So you can change the visual style if you want to. You can go to either no conceptual or it didn't work. Let's go to realistic. It doesn't give much. Oh, it actually does. You can sort of see the shading in there. It's become more realistic, and you can do the same with the other one. Go visual style, realistic, and neater and nicer. Cool. So I'll just save those two, and of course send it off to the client. Now in Revit, if you knew the geolocation of any of these components, you could geolocate it within Revit before you export it, and it's simple as manage coordinates and then specify coordinates at the point. At the point, you could pick a point if you knew what the coordinates and then geolocate it, but I'm not sure what the geolocation is, so I'll leave it as that. And that's typically what I um, would do. Right, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit like if this video is of any use to you. Thanks.